This how to 1 minute will show you how to add a coming soon page on Wix website. First of all, open your Wix site editor and here click on Pages and Menu. Click on Add Page and select Landing Page. And here you will get these two coming soon pages. You can select any of them. So I'm going to add this page. And now you can change the page name. And now you can select any text to change the text. So that's how we can add a coming soon page to Wix website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.